Hi friends! Welcome to Distance Learning, week number 2. I hope week 1 went well for you. I know it was kind of a pain because Schoology wasn't always working as well as we wanted it to, but hopefully it'll get better. I don't know. Um, so this week is kind of different because it's technically your spring break week, and so you only have 3 days of school. Some people were telling me that they like to have their assignments separated by the day instead of by the week. So I decided to separate them by the day this time. Um, Basically, your job on Monday is to read the first half of chapter 9, and then on Tuesday, you'll finish the second half of chapter 9. The chapter Sweetheart of the Santrabang is kind of long, and so I separated it into 2 days for you. And there is a screencast of me reading it here if you'd like to utilize that. And then the assignment that you have to turn in by Wednesday, April 8th at 11:59 is the Sweetheart of the Santrabang assignment. And you should have this assignment out as you're reading the chapter. Basically, it's about a soldier who decides to bring his girlfriend Marianne to Vietnam. And I want you to write over here bullet points about what she's like when she first gets to Vietnam, what we first learn about her and what she's like. And then over here, you're going to write about what happens to her as she's been in Vietnam for a longer period of time and how she starts to change. In the bottom, there's a short answer response question that I want you to really think about and answer. Think about what the chapter might be telling us about Vietnam and what it can do to people. So that's all the work that you have for this short week. One thing I want you to remember is that you have that study guide, and that'll be due by the time we take the test on the things they carried. So don't forget about that. We're probably going to be reading this book through April and then take a test maybe really early in May. One thing I just have to talk to you about is when you copy and paste things from websites into your assignments or your quizzes, that is called plagiarism. If you're going to Cliff Notes or Spark Notes or Chomp and you're taking what they say and you're using it in your answers, that's something you can get kicked out of college for, and that's something you can get into a lot of trouble for. I know that right now distance learning and online learning is something that we really have to adjust to, and it's really different, and it's really easy to cheat, basically. But please try to have integrity when you're doing these assignments and avoid plagiarizing. Thank you in advance. There's a connections and questions discussion on the main Schoology page in case you have any questions or you want to connect with our class, so don't forget about that. And if you ever need anything, you can always email me. I check my email all the time, so if anything ever doesn't look right or you just have a question, let me know. I miss you guys a lot. Now that we're kind of in this for a while, I feel like I'm starting to get a little bit antsy at home. At first it was like, oh cool, I have so much time to read my books and to walk my dog, and now I'm kind of getting a little bit stir crazy, but I've been FaceTiming people and I've been reading and I've been going on walks with my dog. I even ordered, I just got this from Amazon today, the Game of Life, so my husband better be really excited to play a game with me this weekend. So I hope you guys are finding ways to stay busy. Every day I still get up and kind of get ready for the day, and that helps. It's nice to have sort of a routine. And it was fun the other day when I got to do office hours through Google Meets. I got to see some of you, so I'll keep doing those randomly. And if you have any questions or you just want to talk, you can always join those office hours. I miss you. I hope you're doing good. Be safe, have fun, and make good choices. And I'll talk to you soon.